We're going to cover a question now which has caused so much grief. Students have come to us after the exam and said, I couldn't find the answer, it wasn't there. I'm afraid it was. The inlet of a caravan should be installed at a height above the ground of not more than 0.5, 0.9, 1.2, 1.8. So, wow, caravan.
Caravan, well, through your training you would have realised and come to know that these types of places are special locations.
Special locations. Part 7.
Part 7.
And there's a lovely list of them. As you go to part 7, page 239, you can see all the special locations. And so in the excitement of knowing what you're looking for, you go down the list and wow, what do we see? We see caravan. Electrical installation in the caravan. Brilliant. Let's turn to the page. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. So we turn to that page, we look down.
Page 267.
And what we tend to want to do is to find a height because the eyes are scanning and you go the lowest part of any structure says 0.5, 1.5.
1.5.
Sorted. Back to the question. Easy one. Oh, it's not there. And this has genuinely caused some real stress.
It's because they haven't read the question, Dave.
I haven't read the question. The magic word is the inlet, not the socket. So, where do we go? If we take a look at this, so Gary.
Yeah, right. Well, this is the infrastructure for the caravan site, which was in 708. So basically, the caravan would connect to this. The bit that we're interested in is the inlet on the caravan itself, which is in a completely different section.
It is. If we go back to that list, we can see at 721 electrical installations in caravans.
In the caravans. And this one is in caravan parks and so we had the wrong section.
The word caravan appears twice. 2 bits devoted to caravans. So we go and look there. What do we find?
On page 310, in section 721, the inlet shall be installed
not more than 1.8 metres. And we go back to the question, we can see that's one of the options that are given to us. I have had grown men in tears.
Oh yes, I've had it too.
So be very careful when you see that word caravan. There are 2 parts of special locations that refer to the caravans. There's not always one answer in life. That's our message. We hope you found that useful. I should stress that the questions we're addressing in this series aren't official exam questions taken from any paper, but they're very typical of the sort of thing you find on questions from any of the examining bodies for the 18th edition. If there's a question or a subject that you'd like us to address in these sessions, then please do drop me a line, dave.austin@learninglounge.com, or you can simply enter the question in the comments box below.
And don't forget, there are more questions on our website, learninglounge.com/18, and even more questions when you subscribe to one of our courses.